news! It stopped raining! Yay! Oh well, I'm gonna head back. But then, I was gonna head back. Then I spotted something new. Dun dun dun, something new. Just let you know, this is my final vlog of the day. Won't make any more until next time. I spotted something new. I like seeing new things. Like, oh, new. So, it stopped raining. There's little spits here and there. Quickly look at the new thing, I'm quick again. It's like when it starts, in case it starts again. People looking at me weirdly. Don't mind that. I've never seen a person doing a vlog before. Wow, can a person see a flag here? I spotted something new. That's awesome to say. Well, what do you expect? This is England. I spotted something new. Oh my god. That's so cool. Oh wow. That's so cool. Wow. Oh. Just have a look at this heavy 8th and then go back inside because I can feel for more rain. It's a heavy 8th tree. So cool. But I'm going back inside before it starts raining again. Don't want that. No flowers. So the caravan is there. It's bright. It's like dark green. Couldn't really see it. I was like, there was it. Yep. So this is my last Hampton. This is final part of the vlog, and I will see you guys later. Yep. This is Dan Crane over now, and it's about to rain.